Yes, yeah, everybody should join fast so that we can start,
Yes, yes, yes.
Already, ma'am, recording has started.
Where's in little 5 minutes?
Okay. Already, ma'am, recording has started. So now, 1 minute, I'll call to my.
Join, karo. Join. Please. Okay.
Beta, Janni, you can start the welcome speech at the meantime because children will join a little late. Beta, you can start.
They're going to start the video recording, so please tell them to join. Hurry up. Some students are waiting maybe in the waiting room. Please accept them.
Yes, Jenny, please start the welcome speech without any delay because we should not make any delay because time is very important. Yeah, yes. Everyone, please switch on your video, beta. Everyone, please switch on your video. Every one of you. It will be great if you switch on your video. Everyone, I think I can see Samuel. Yeah, I did. Please on your video. Noha, please switch on your video. It will be good. Netra.
Yes, sir. I have on.
Janni, please start the welcome speech. Yeah, please. Yeah, you are audible. Yes, go ahead.
Warm wishes to one and all present here. Welcome to Space Exploration Program by Igniting Dreams of Minds Foundation. On behalf of Sriniketan Group of Schools, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Mr. Ratnesh Mishra, President of IDYM, Mr. Ravi Shankar Kumar, Founder of IDYM, and the guest of honor, Ms. Vismat Fajana, Goodwill Ambassador of IDYM, Bangladesh, and Ms. Deenu Lashmi, Brand Ambassador of IDYM. And a warm welcome to all the teachers, students, and everyone who joined here for the greatest purpose. I cannot do all the good that the world needs, but the world needs all the good that I can do. Apt to these lines, IDYM is creating space to all the young minds with uniqueness throughout the world. The foundation leads the way to blossom new ideas in the young minds with positive thoughts, self-confidence, and perseverance through the workshops. It's my pleasure to highlight that the foundation has led 110 workshops successfully for igniting young minds. Once again, I welcome one and all to the greatest purpose wholeheartedly. Thanking you all for offering an opportunity to be a part of this work.
Yes, Denul beta, go ahead. Go ahead with your presentation.
Sure,
Awal, please open your on your camera, please. Awal from Bangladesh.
the galaxy of intellective, honorable director, invited guests, parents, teachers, and our beloved students. How phenomenal is today! You will witness an entertaining and amusement program ahead. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want different results, make different choice. A very good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I'm so delighted to see you all together here. This is Sinulashmi, brand ambassador of Igniting Dreams of Young Minds Foundation. It is my pleasure to welcome you all and thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who have been with us today for the workshop, and we are really glad to host this workshop on a mesmerizing place, Bangladesh, with you all. Once again, I warmly welcome you everybody. Hello, little ones. Hope you all are doing good. On behalf of IDOM Foundation, I would like to incline my sincere gratitude to all of you who generously work with us to make this event come together to become a some stars shine a bright day light. We have some such stars with us today. Yes, I warmly welcome our most valued and honorable chief guest, Engineer Ratnesh Mishra from IIT Bombay. And this webinar will be messaged by myself. This is Nashmi, and I'm so really excited to have you with us today. Success in life is not for those who run fast, but for those who keep running and always on move. Yes, I welcome Ms. Ismat Sajjana. Nothing is impossible in the universe. The word itself have impossible. Yes, a remarkable one. So without taking too much time, let's get started into a space exploration program. So this webinar is
Yes, dear everyone, you all are going to know about space technology and what is different type of things you can do in your life. As you can see on the rocket on the screen, that is a rocket of ISRO that is called GSLV rocket. Yes, Janur, please proceed. Please switch off your audio. Everyone, please switch off your audio, Velda. Everyone, please switch off your audio. Okay, yes, Janur, please. Yeah, please. Ma'am, can you switch off your audio?
Ravi sir, may I get started?
Yeah, start.
What is space exploration? So in this webinar, we will be seeing about what is space exploration, why we need to explore the space, the history and the future of space, India's work in space, why space exploration is more important, space exploration contribution, its advantages, pros and cons. At last, we will be addressing at the conclusion. So you all are little ones, you may have the doubt what is space exploration program, why we all are gathered here for this webinar. This webinar is fully about space exploration. So we all have the question, what is space exploration? Space exploration is nothing but is a term which describes searching outer space. It just describes the outer space to find the mysterious things in the space. We are just searching and exploring out. So that's said to be a space exploration program. So in the space exploration, using the usage of astronomy and space technology, it is very helpful to explore the outer space. That's said to be the space exploration. It's just simple to explore the space. That's said to be space exploration. So why we need to explore the space? Exploring the space is said to be space exploration. So why we have to explore the space? We have the question because it's there. Man has always aspired to explore the unexplored and to understand what is not understood. So we all are human beings. We have the thought aspire to inspire before we expire. So we all are doing the aspire to explore the unexplored and to understand what is not understood. We are just exploring to where is find our place in the universe and the history of a solar system. These came from the space exploration. So we are in our mother earth. So it's just about how the universe formed and the formation of a solar system or just come from the space exploration. So just looking on the history of space exploration, we have the first rocket. Do anybody know what is the first rocket? Or that was able to hide. We all little ones, we have made rockets and flew into our classrooms, but this was so this was scientist during the Second World War. So German was the first rocket in space exploration program. And just on space exploration, we have another thing. During the October 1957, the Soviet Union launched first satellite known as the first satellite. We have seen the first rocket as Beto said. On seeing on the satellite, we have Sputnik launched its first satellite named the Sputnik. So this started the space age. So in response, US also launched its first satellite named as Explorer 1. On depending upon Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, US also launched another satellite known as Explorer 1 on January 31 in the year 1958. So this started space race. Every country was started to send many satellites and rockets. So just seeing on first life in space, we first animal which can go into the space through Sputnik 1. After the successful launch of Sputnik 1, the Soviet launched another satellite named as Sputnik 2. So in Sputnik 2, they had a passenger for long journey named as Dog Laika. So just only animal can travel into space? No, we also have human beings. The first human in space on April 12, 1961, Russian astronaut named as Yuri goes into the space. He is a popular astronaut, we all know. So he was the first to go in space, the first human in space. So Gagarin traveled a spacecraft named as Vostochny 1. He traveled through it. And we have first man on moon is Neil Armstrong. We all know this is a popular one. During the year 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man to walk on moon. So he traveled to a space shuttle named as Apollo 11. Through this, he traveled to moon and became the first man to travel on the moon. So these are some pictures of space technology. We have satellites, galaxies, comets, and asteroids. So just seeing, this is Miss Sunita Williams. She is on the IAS International Space Shuttle. So you all probably know about this. This is a Curiosity rover. Rover is a car-sized rover which research on Mars. So this named as a Curiosity rover. So basically, I'm from India. My motherland is India. Just sharing with you about India's work in space. So on 19 April 1975, India launched first satellite named as Aryabhatta. So this was the first launch satellite from India named as Aryabhatta. We having the India launched Aryabhatta from Russian rocket. They launched it through Cosmo 3M launch vehicle. Through this, they launched the first satellite of India as Aryabhatta. Then we have the first satellite on moon. Just seeing what we all probably know this reason we have Chandrayaan 2 too. So in Chandrayaan 1 was the first Indian lunar probe. So it was launched by Indian Space Research Organization, which is also known as ISRO. The current chairman of ISRO is Dr. K. Sivan. So during in the month of October in the year of 2008, they launched the Chandrayaan 1. It was India's first lunar probe. So just seeing about in India's Mars orbit mission, we have Mars orbiter mission, which is also called MOM. Just not your mom, just it's a MOM, which is known as orbiter mission, Mars orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan. So this Mangalyaan gives the biggest success in space for India. So India is the first among Asian nations to reach Mars orbit, and the first nation in the world to do so. It gave many success to India. That was said to be the Mangalyaan orbit mission. So does space really matter? We all have the question, does space really matter? No, because we have a lot of other issues to solve on yet. So space exploration is always a big investment program. So it doesn't matter really. So just seeing on advantage of space exploration, we have enhanced communication. Basically, I'm from India and you people are from Bangladesh. So these are some advantages of space exploration. So many things derived from space exploration. We have addressing the global changes. By previously, we can address the global changes through satellites and all. So at last, we came to the conclusion. So space always inspired the youth. You are the young people. It always inspired the youth. Aspire to inspire before we expire. So I'm short of words. Last but not least, a big thank to each and every one of you for listening my program. Hope you will understand this. Ravi sir. Ravi Shankar Kumar
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes, Dhanul, yes, 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 Dhanul. Can you play the video of Pratham? Pratham video.
Just give me a minute, sir.
Play the video and yes, dear children. Yes, dear children. Yes, you have learned something regarding space exploration. I will just brief you more. Dhanul have already told you many things about space exploration. Why we want to conduct this program in Bangladesh? As you all know that our Prime Minister is going to visit your country on your independence day, that is coming up in the month of March, right? So why he is visiting there and why Bangladesh Prime Minister is President is coming here? Because now I am talking to you because with the help of satellite only, without help of satellite can we talk? It is not possible to talk. So for that reason we need satellite. Now if you if you are only depending upon scientists to make the satellite, can they make the satellite? Yeah, now she's going to play the satellite what we have made it. Yes, Janu, please play that. First you watch the video. This is the satellite made by our team. Just watch the video. Every one of you play. Dhanul, beta play. Dhanul. Okay, please switch off your audio. Dhanul, please switch off your audio. Some sound is coming from there. Okay, so this is the satellite. What we have made it, our team have made it. As you can just play the video, you can see the yellow color. Yes, Dhanul, play the video once again. See why we are conducting this program for all of you. You all are around 10 to 15 years of maybe 16-year-old people. Why can't you make a satellite? Why only scientists can make a satellite? That is the main mission to conduct this program. This program is a basic program we are conducting for all of you to just know what is a space exploration, why we want to explore the space. That is the first thing we have to do. Second thing, once we come to know that what is a space and what all things are there in the space and how we can do something in a space. So how you can do something in a space? You can build your own satellite, you can build your own rocket, you can build your own rover, right? How being a student, because your financial condition is not that much good, you cannot get a crores of rupees, right? Because the satellite you just saw on the video, that is not a satellite, is made of 1 lakh rupees. That satellite is made of 1 crore 40 lakhs rupees Indian currency. And why that satellite is made? That is your next question. Why that satellite is made? Because as you all know that satellite measure different things what is happening around us, like disasters, like tsunami, earthquakes. How we will come to know that earthquake is going to come in Bangladesh? How we will come to know that tsunami is going to come in India? That is with the help of satellite. So being a student, how you can contribute to your country, that is our aim. That is what we are trying to teach with to all of you. But in the first session, we cannot give you full technical data. If we give the technical data, many of you will not understand that. So for that only we are giving the basic idea. Start thinking, make a group of children, make a group of 2, 3, 5 children and come up with that and tell to your ma'am, we want to build a satellite. From there the things start. From there a space exploration start. Now, what you can how you can contribute for your country? You are a very small kids. You can make femto satellite. Femto satellite is a very, very small satellite. It is from 10 gram to 50 gram. Just from 10 gram to 50 gram, that satellite is called femto satellite. And after femto satellite, you can think about CAN satellite. You can think about micro satellite. You can think about mono satellite. You can think about major satellite, means a big satellite. But big satellite, if you want to make, you are studying in a school cannot fund that much money. So you have to go to college. You have to get into admission to very good college from where you can get the funding from your government. But since you are a school kids, so I can tell you, you can start thinking of building a femto satellite. Femto satellite doesn't cost you much. But what does femto satellite will do? Femto satellite can measure temperature, pressure, and what is the carbon emission happening in the atmosphere. Because all of you know that nowadays global warming is there. We all are suffering with global warming, right? So how can we know that what is the carbon emission going on right now in Dhaka of Bangladesh? How we can understand that? That we will understand with the help of femto satellite. Femto satellite, how when satellite is made. Now you will ask me a question, sir, you have made a femto satellite. Then how it will tell what is there in the satellite, how we get the idea of temperature and pressure. For that purpose, we are having a sensor called BMD sensor. So that BMD sensor, we are putting into satellite. And with that BMD sensor, the satellite is getting the temperature and pressure of the atmosphere and sending to the ground station. So if you are making a satellite, you have to make a satellite first. You have to make the ground station. You have to do both of that. Otherwise, you cannot get the signal. Now, third thing what we can do. You have made a satellite. You have got the idea. Your satellite is ready. Now you gone to your ma'am and said, ma'am, my satellite is ready. Now what to do? Now everybody will ask how to send this in a space. Then for that purpose, there is something called launch vehicle. Understood, everyone? Children, can you unmute yourself and tell me? Are you getting the point?
Yes,
Dear
understood.
children? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear. So the next part is launch vehicle. Why we need the launch vehicle? Because if you want to go to Dubai from Bangladesh, how you will go? You will not walk and go, right? It's very far. So you'll get a plane, right? With the help of plane, you can fly and go there. Like this satellite, if it want to go to space, it has to have a rocket. So that rocket is called launch vehicle. But I have one more thing to tell to all of you. What satellite you are going to make, that is a femto size. It is a very, very small satellite from 6 gram to 50 gram. For that, we doesn't need a very big rocket. We can launch the satellite with the help of helium balloons. How many of you seen the helium balloons? Any one of you? Any one of you seen the helium balloons? Children? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, yes. I
Yes, sir. The air balloons that
Yes.
air balloons, the balloon which can fly.
Great, great, great. Very good, very good, very good, children. Very good. So the helium balloon you can put the satellite into helium balloons, and helium balloons can take the satellite to a stratosphere. Atmosphere, you might have heard about atmosphere. How many of you know about atmosphere?
4.
Yes, right. So atmosphere has got a different layer. That layer is called stratosphere. So this satellite will go and get placed there with the help of helium balloon. If you don't have the helium balloon, if you are having no helium balloon, then what you will do? How you will send that satellite? What is the next thing? Anyone from your side? Any children? You have to use what? The next thing is drone. You can with the help of drone. By the drone. Very good answer, Beta. Very good, excellent answer. So by the help of drone, we can place the satellite into a stratosphere. Now the third point. If there is no drone, there is no helium balloon. What we can do? What is the next option? Anyone? Any children? You are very smart. As ma'am have told to me, these children are very intelligent. So yes, tell me how you can do this. Anyone from your side? You don't have the helium balloon. You don't have the drone. What next is there? Anyone? Any children? Please unmute yourself and say your idea. What you will do? Anyone, please?
Please
Okay.
share your idea, please.
Yeah, share your idea, please. Yes, ma'am is also telling. Share your idea, please. So now that this question comes here. See, Bangladesh is now a very small country, but there is very developing country. It's growing very fast. What Bangladesh will do? Bangladesh will have a space agency. Or if the Bangladesh doesn't have that much financial help, they have to depend upon some other country. So they will come to India and they say, India is my friend, please help us to launch this satellite. What India will do? India has got different launch vehicles. That is called PSLV, PSLV and GSLV. Children, you got the point? Which one? SLV, PSLV and GSLV. Yes, SLV. Why? SLV was earlier used for launching the small type of satellite. When India was early in the age of 1980s, we were a developing countries, and that time we were using a vehicle called SLV. The second is PSLV. Why we need PSLV? PSLV, the second type of launch vehicle used by Indian Space Research Organization in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh of India. So PSLV has got 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Now these 4 stages, what they will do? All these 4 stages will get launched one by one. So there is a booster, there is a 2 solid stage, and there is 2 liquid stage. With the help of that, a PSLV is able to launch the satellite. But you have a question in mind. Yes, sir, you told that satellite we are launching, where to keep the satellite in the rocket? Any student? Where to keep the satellite in the rocket? Anyone? Yes, Bangladesh children, please give your answer. Where you will place the satellite?
At the top, at the peak of the rocket.
Yeah,
Because the other
very good.
parts will be
That's
released.
That's amazing, kids. Very good. This is first time I got the answer. Very good answer. Really proud of all Bangladesh students. Very good. So that is the part we are placing on the top of the rocket. That is called the nose of the rocket, right? That part is called nose of the rocket. So in the nose of rocket, we are placing the
Please
satellite.
show,
right?
show us,
Now-
please,
now
could you
what will
please
happen
show
next?
the rocket
Now-
and different
Yeah, yeah,
parts? Could you please show the rocket, the
Yeah,
picture
yes,
of the
ma'am.
rockets
Just
and
give me
different
a second.
parts? Then it is easy for them to understand.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'll share the screen from my phone and I will show to all of you. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So, ma'am,
Okay.
that is the
Okay.
nose. That nose you are seeing, no? That nose part is called. 1 minute, ma'am. Just a second. I'll show that. I'll show that. Okay. So that is the one thing I wanted to tell with all of you children. The rocket will, the satellite will get placed in the rocket. That rocket nose part. Now, how that launching will take place? When it is going to get launched, what will happen next? When this is going to launch, first launching will be the booster part. So in India, there is a place called Sriharikota. Okay. Just a minute, I'll show you the PSLV rocket of India. It's a very great rocket made by India. And India has done a lot of work in the space technology. Yeah, I can see that somebody have already shared the screen. Very nice. Okay, okay, fine. Great, great. So this is the something, but ma'am, this rocket actually we are not using for launching the satellite, but this is the rocket. Yes, right. But yes, I can see that. See here, we have different engines. Fins. Why there is a fins? Anyone from a student side? Why you have a fins? Anyone a student? Student side, anyone? Why there is a fins?
To control the rocket.
Very good. To control the rocket. Ma'am, your children are very intelligent. I
Thank
think
you.
I'm very
Yes,
lucky
they are
to teach
also
them.
interesting
Your
and they are also
children
very
awesome.
yes, active and good students
Very good.
in every sectors. Okay, thank you.
They are doing really great. They are doing really great. Yes. So that is what you saw the rocket, no? So that is the type of PSLV rocket. PSLV has got 4 stages, 2 solid stage and 2 liquid stage. That is called PSLV stages. Now next, what is next? Next is GSLV. GSLV means it has got only 1 stage, but it has got many boosters. Booster, why we are needing a booster? When morning you get up, what you do? Your mom will say, do the prayer. Your mom is telling or not telling? First, what your mom is telling, when you get up, go for prayer. Why she is telling that? Because if you do the prayer in the morning, your whole day will become good. So that's why for rocket, it has to go in a space. They need to have a booster. So for that purpose, we are looking the booster. Many of you might have seen that satellite is having a yellow in color. How many of you seen that satellite is looking yellow in color? Any one of you? Children's? Dear children, Denul, can you show the picture of Pratham and can you show the video of Pratham? Denul, beta, are you there? Denul? This is okay. So that is,
Sure, sir, I will present.
yeah, please show that, beta. Please show that because the children want to know about that. What is that part also? Yeah, please show that. I think she's facing some network problem, so she's not able to play the video. Okay. So now this is the something which Denu is going to share with all of you. So ma'am, I was telling about the satellite color. Satellite color
Yes.
will be generally in yellow in color. How many of you know that yellow in color satellite is there? It will be yellow in color only. Why? Because if sun ray is falling on the satellite, the electronic gadget can get damaged. So we are putting a yellow color, right? Every one of you understood? That's why we are putting yellow in color. Next part is, that is the antenna. There should be antenna in the satellite. Why we need the antenna in the satellite? How many of you know why we need antenna in the satellite? You are using the phone. How it is getting the
Communication.
network?
To get the signal. To get
It's a
the
wireless
signal.
Get the
signal.
signal. Very good, beta, very good. So to get the signal, we need to have antenna, right? So for that purpose, we are using the antenna. But one thing I want to tell to all of you, a space doesn't give second chance. Remember this point. A space doesn't give second chance. Means once you launch the satellite, if it is going to fail, it will fail. Nobody can stop that. You cannot go to a space and tell, "Arey, that bolt is damaged, I will repair that." Nobody can repair that one. No one can repair that. Why? Because a space doesn't give second chance. Everybody got this point? So when you are making a satellite, you have to be perfect. Even a small bolt is damaged, everything will get collapsed. So you have to be very careful while making the satellite. Yes, Denul, are you ready? Denul? Okay, I think she's facing some network issue. Okay, so
Sir,
that
I
is the-
can't to present the video. It's loading.
Okay,
There
okay.
is some network error.
Okay, no problem. I'll share with ma'am. Ma'am will share with the student. Ma'am, is it okay for you? If I share with you, you will share to student?
Sorry?
If I share you the video, can you share with the student? Children?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please, ma'am, please. Okay, so children, this is what we have taught to all of you. Next time when you, ma'am, so you want to tell something regarding today program?
Sorry?
You share your views about today program, ma'am. Your views is very important. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Students, can you ask them any question? Students can ask
If you
you
have
any
questions,
questions
please ask.
about
Dear
this.
children,
Okay, students, you
dear
can ask
children.
any questions about this satellite.
Yeah, if
Sir,
you have any
can
questions,
femto
ask
satellite
about the
go
space.
higher than stratosphere?
Yeah, it can go. It can go. That's why in Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan, you know, you are heard about Chandrayaan. It is going very high, right? You cannot send that. You see Mangalyaan. It
Femto
has gone
satellite
very
go
high.
higher than stratosphere?
Femto satellite. Yes, dear. Yeah, this is a very good question. I really like this question. Even femto satellite can go above stratosphere. Why? How? Then you have to use the launch vehicle. If you are not using the launch vehicle, it cannot go. How? Which launch vehicle? Not the drone, not the helium balloon. You have to use PSLV. You have to use PSLV rocket. You have to use GSLV rocket, and you have to use SLV rocket. With the help of that, we can launch it. Yes. Anyone else? Any question? Dear
Sir,
children,
why we call
Amil,
moon as a
Abhi?
satellite?
why did you? Beta?
Sir, why we call moon a satellite?
Yeah, moon as a satellite. Very good question, beta. Very good question. Why we call moon as a satellite? Because
That's
you
it.
know, beta, satellite have two types. One type is natural satellite, and second is artificial satellite. So moon is a natural satellite of Earth. Earth is a natural satellite of sun. So these are the natural satellite. But there is something called artificial satellite. That is what we are talking today, to how to build a artificial satellite. We cannot build moon because moon is a very big thing. We cannot build it. We can build a small satellite which we can study about moon. That is what we can do. That is what we can do from our side. Yes. Anyone else? Children?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Sir, how long does the femto satellite last?
How many days the femto satellite last? Beta, this is a very good question.
Yes.
Femto satellite, it depends. It depends. What is the purpose of the satellite? If you are using the satellite for defense purpose, now you want to launch a satellite for your Bangladesh army. So that satellite you have to keep for a long time, right? If you want to launch a satellite for some education purpose, so that age will be different. It depends upon that. There is a power bank is there, like you are using a power bank for your mobile, you are using a battery for your mobile. Satellite also have got some kind of power. How satellite will get the power? Satellite will get the power with the help of solar panel. Solar panels are connected with the satellite. Yeah. Anyone else?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I have a question. That is, why does the satellite remain at a specific place in the outer atmosphere? Why doesn't it go anywhere else?
What you are saying once again? Please repeat, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why does the satellite remain at a specific place in the outer atmosphere? Why doesn't it go to any other places? Or
Why does the
or float away?
satellite get placed in the outer space? Right. That is your question, right?
Yes. How is that placed?
Oh, how it get placed? Very good question, beta. Very good question.